All right. First thing I would do is I would go to Google and I would like basically do it. Gmail. I do a search for Gmail. All right. Now the nice thing about Gmail is that you can have a bunch of accounts. So I'm going to try to set up a new account because I've used all these in different like places. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to look for the one that says free storage and stuff like that. And now I have Gmail like home screen. I want to create an account. So I'm going to click on here to create an account. Okay, now I'm going to use my name to do this just because, it's, my name and I'm kind of spearheading this deal. So I'm going to say my first name and then I've got all this stuff here and I'm going to go back and I'm going to blur my phone number out so nobody has to like call me up about any of this stuff here. And then those are names I've used in the past. So I'm trying to make one for my building. Our building is RHS, so I'm going to say RHS and then I'm going to say Knights of the Math Table. All right, that is definitely a name I don't think anybody's going to use, and I believe that our school was founded in 1957. Okay, so I'm going to do a password here. I'm hoping I'm spelling that guy's names right. I'm trying to use a name of a former principal as a password, but I think I might just pick a funny one so like people can remember it. Okay. Okay, so I picked a mathy web page or password name so it'll be easier for people to remember. Okay, my birthday. Oh, and I didn't type it in right. All right, my birthday is in September. I'm old. Um, this question is more interesting these days, and I'm gonna I'm gonna use my current email address instead of mobile, and then I'm gonna use the school email as the source since it's for school. Okay, so I'll blur this out using my video software after we do that, after I get finished, but I would certainly not, suggest anybody like want to put their phone number on like a video that people go watch everywhere else. All right, so I basically named the website, and then I gave it a name that's like Richard Z, and I believe that's the year that we were founded. Okay, so I'm gonna go next step. Okay, and then of course they're going to make you basically say that you will not do all these things. I would certainly like take a chance to read this because I don't know what they're trying to tell me what's going on here. The data collection is pretty frightening in these world. Okay, so they're gonna show me this email address, and the reason why they're doing that is so they can actually like prove that I'm not like some like robot. Okay, so I'm going to say save because I don't like to remember passwords on my computer. Probably not the most, I guess, safest way to do things, but I'm lazy. I don't want to keep on remembering 8 million passwords. So I did it. And then I'm going to continue. And then they say it's been used too many times for verification. So I don't know if there's a limit there. Stuff like that. I guess we could do a voice call. All right. Hello. Alright, now since I've used a bunch of Google accounts, I had to go another route. They called me up and then they gave me this number. Again, I am going to blur this number off using my video software. So like they tell you specifically in like the message they send you, don't let people know this number. So don't let people know that number. And they say Google will never call about it because that's how you get hacked. Okay, so I've created a Gmail account. Okay, that took me longer than I wanted to because, like I said, I got a bunch of email accounts, so Google didn't want to give me yet another one, or they think I'm phishing for a site. Okay, I'm gonna click to this just to see that it actually opens, and then it's sending me there, and then I've got a Gmail account. Okay, so they're welcoming me here. That is basically how you create a Gmail account. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm gonna do all that stuff about like blurring stuff out now. Have a great day.